Hey guys, sun's out a little bit today. Why don't we head down to Fredericksburg and check out a new place to grab a cup of tea. Let's go. Hey guys, we're here in Old Town Fredericksburg. I found a place that I wanted to check out for coffee and tea. It's right over there, Agora Coffee. We're going to check that out and then maybe come back out and talk a little bit about tires, because Sophie needs a new set of kicks. Agora Coffee. This is the downtown location. Oh, nice pup. It's a cool little area. Might be worth just walking around and checking out. Thank you. You wanna? Great, thanks. Yeah, this is a cool place. Definitely have to come back here more often. Nice little funky place. Yeah, very cool. If you're in Fredericksburg, you definitely should come down to Old Town and check out Agora Coffee. It's near the train station, as you can hear. Looks like they've already started putting up the Christmas decorations. Agora Downtown Coffee Shop. This windy day is going to be a good test for this new Deity mic setup that I got on the GoPro. See how well those dead cats do. Pretty kitty. Anyway, I've got about 13,500 miles on the tires, which is a lot more than most people are reporting if they're getting on the stock setup. Really haven't had a lot of complaints about the tires, although maybe about a month ago the rear tire broke out from under me a little bit. That's probably more conditions than anything else, but as you can see, the tread there in the middle is starting to get a little low on the rear tire. Still kind of okay on the front tire, but I'm going to go ahead and swap out the whole set. Just do them both at one time. You know, most people say that the knobby tires gives the Fat Bob a pretty grungy look. Now check it out. That's a Walter wannabe with the big speakers. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the knobby look on the tires. I really kind of like that look on the Fat Bob, but I might move away from using the stock setup when I replace these. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. I know a lot of folks put the Cobra chromes on, but I don't really do that type of riding, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get those. I am thinking about maybe going with the Cruise Techs. the Metzler Cruise Techs. Those seem to be a good hybrid performance / touring tire. I don't know. So if you got a Fat Bob, I would really like to hear from you. Drop a comment in the section below and let me know if you've swapped out your stock tires for a different set, what you went with, or what you're thinking about doing if you haven't done it yet but are planning to. I'll let you know what we... You know, the other thing I'm thinking about too is whether I stick with the 180 on the back or go up to a 200. It seems like from the research I've done, I can go to a 200 without any trouble. I don't know, man. Fat tire. What do you think? 180, 200? So anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my cappuccino and maybe ride around Fredericksburg a little bit. I've never been to Old Town Fredericksburg before, but this really looks like a cool, artsy, funky little place. So I don't know. May have to check this out more often. You guys have a good one. Peace.